Hello. I just wanted to take a few moments today to go through creating a vocabulary activity in Conjuguemos. In order to do that, we first need to log into our Conjuguemos account, and then we're going to choose Add Activity. Click on that, and then we're asked to choose the language. In my case, it is Spanish, and the activity type. And today we're going to work on a vocabulary activity. You can do create new, combined, or import. I like to do create new because then I know that the words that we're using are going to be words that are the same and consistent across all of the platforms. So I'm going to hit continue here. And then it gives you an option. I'm going to skip this right now because I'm going to change this. And if I write everything in first, it's going to make me go back and do it. So I'm going to put paste words. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to choose my title. This is from the Exprésate textbook. Exprésate uno, and we're going to take a look at vocab 4.2, which is the second set of vocabulary in chapter 2. The class that I like it to be in is the Spanish 1 class, and I'm not going to choose to add any instructions in here. You can if you would like, but I just don't generally do that. Again, it says paste words, so we need to have our words separated by a comma. I'm going to choose paste my words from Quizlet. And so I already have this set entered into Quizlet. So I'm going to go into Quizlet. Oops. And when you go into Quizlet and open your set, you'll have the first thing you see is the little flashcards. If you look down here under the flashcards, there are the 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and you'll have this menu come up. If you go down to export, click that. And then you have some options. So between the terms and definitions, we want to have a comma because that is what the Conjuguemos site is requesting. And so I'm just going to go over here to copy text. And now my text has been copied. I'm going to go back to my Conjuguemos tab, click in the tab, and paste the words. There they are with a comma in between them, which is what is requested up here. Then it asks if you want the English on the left or the right. Here we have the Spanish on the left, so I'm just going to change that. And then one of the things that I do sometimes, depending on what I'm going to use this activity for, sometimes I take out these types of sentences and the phrases simply because when you do a graded practice with Conjuguemos, if the spelling, wording, and punctuation are not exactly correct, it's going to count it wrong. If I'm just going to use this for games, flashcards, and those sort of activities, I would leave these in. Sometimes I make one version and then a second adapted version, one version that includes the phrases and another adapted version that does not. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And again, simply because if we don't have all of those accent marks and punctuation exactly as they're shown there, then it will count it incorrect for the students. So again, we have exprésate uno underscore vocab 4.2. We didn't choose to put any instructions in here for the students. Those will appear on the activities once they click on them. And then we've pasted in the words, separating them with a comma, and our Spanish is on the left. Okay, and we're going to hit continue. And then we need to choose which folder to add it to. I'm going to add this to Spanish 4. You can't really see the titles, but 1, 2, 3, 4, Spanish 4, chapter 4, Spanish 1, chapter 4, and finish. Okay, so when I have done that, now we have under chapter 4, Spanish 1, the Exprésate uno 4.2 vocab. We can click on that activity, and then we have available to us the graded practice, flashcards, and the games. The games are really fun with vocab. Again, sometimes the grammar can be a little difficult, the graded practice, because it has to be spot on. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Adios.